Hello, my name is Neider Antonio Enriquez Fajardo. Estudio English B1. I show my identification document. Step 3. Talking about my tourist and destination. Sociales 5 question and answer the on my last trip and spend little money, but it was a good amount. The most visited places are the sanctuary of Las Lajas and La Cocha. The cheapest place I visited and my city was Sandona Nariño. Yes, I have met some friends. It was a good experience in culture for other departments are now. I haven't had the opportunity, but I find this lifestyle kit interesting since it allows you to travel to different destinations and enjoy each place.